Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install PHP 8.5 on Windows 11 operating system. To download the software in Google search box, write there PHP, then go on this php.net site. Thereafter, click on this download. There, you can select your operating system. You can select anyone, so zip that's going to use there. Here, or this version are available. So let's use the 8.5. Thereafter, here you can see none thread safe and vs thread safe. So thread safe that's going to download there. Click on this zip file. So this here PHP 8.55 and this here 64 thread safe is now currently downloading. This the file that's downloaded. Let's click on this join folder. This here let's do the extraction. So file is now extracting. This done. So this file that's going to copy and paste inside the C drive. Let's give the simple name. Thereafter, let's click on this. If I place P here, you can see PHP exe file is there. Copy this location. And if I go into this edit system environment variable, then go into this path, edit, new, paste. So this location because PHP is there. Now if I write the command prompt, let's use the CLS. Writing the PHP ---- version. So you can see 8.55 CLI that's come there. If I write the PHP -h, so this all helping contents that's come there. The code of PHP. So here this is the code to add two numbers using PHP. So let's paste there, Ctrl S to save. Saving on this desktop, giving the name test.php. Here we need to change all files. File that saved. Here you can see test.php. So on this here, let's use the killer command first. So cd file is in desktop, so I'm moving on this desktop. Then write there php test.php. So here given code is to add two number. So this is now returning the output. So this is how we can do the installation of PHP and run codes. So I hope guys this video is the helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.